The Telegram, a white tiger wisdom story. The storm had been cruel, sweeping away both materials and memories. As the skies cleared, Simi began cleaning their attic. She pulls out a sodden box and opens it. Inside, among ruined papers, lies a wet, old diary. She opens it carefully. Only a few pages are legible. It was her Badepapa's diary, and piece by piece, Simi uncovers the reason behind his anguish, his guilt. He had carried something important, a message he had to send by telegram. He ran down the dusty road towards the post office, hoping to reach before the soldiers caught him. But it was in vain. The soldiers surrounded him, and the information thrown in a puddle and destroyed. Still, he managed to escape, so he could deliver the message personally. Hiding in the hollow of a big banyan tree, he waited, breath held. The soldiers noticed the tree and walked over. One said, "He may be in there." The other, "Not possible. The cobwebs are untouched. No one could have gone in." And they left. But despite his hardships and efforts, he could not save the school. It was destroyed completely. As Simi finishes the diary, she understands why Badepapa had silently wandered through life. Her heart aches for the school, for Badepapa, for what he had endured. Years have passed, but Badepapa silently waits for sending a telegram or receiving it. Even he doesn't remember anymore. Simi realizes now that Badepapa is still waiting to send the telegram, the message which could have saved the school. She stands before the ruins, thinking what could have been, and turns back determined to finish what her Badepapa had started. She researches, talks to people, goes to the regional office to file petitions and seek grants to rebuild and revive the school again. Simi takes a break. "One tea, please," she asks the handsome vendor. "One tea coming up," he smiles and adds, "I am not the vendor, by the way, just on a break like you. I saw you in our office earlier. I am Manoj," he says. After hearing her story, Manoj becomes her pillar, always helping, advising about the nuances of bureaucracy. It takes time, a lot of time. The new school building slowly rises. By now, Manoj has become a friend, philosopher, and a guide to Simi. Their friendship blooms into something more under the big banyan tree, which has witnessed everything through decades. Badepapa now sits beneath the banyan tree, watching the school with a gentle smile. He has delivered the message. Finally, Simi, her husband Manoj, and their daughter watch Badepapa from behind with a contented heart. Let him sit there for a while. We'll walk around the school again, smiles Simi, and they hold hands and walk together. And the banyan leaves sway in joy. Delay isn't defeat. When purpose is carried forward, the impact still lives on. Thank you for watching. Created and narrated by Anu Vishwa for Mystic Signals.